If you're looking for a high-performance 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and multicolor capability, the QIDI Official Q2 Combo multicolor 3D printer is built to deliver professional-grade results. Designed for makers, engineers, and creators who demand more, this machine offers advanced features packed into a stable and intelligent system. One of the standout features of the QIDI Q2 Combo is the powerful QIDI box, which unlocks multicolor and multi-material printing with support for up to 16 colors. It features a dry while print system that keeps filaments moisture-free for smoother and more stable prints. The hardened steel extruder is built to handle demanding materials like carbon fiber, while the 65°C drying chamber, automatic filament reloading, NFC smart settings, and built-in safety system ensure continuous, worry-free operation. In terms of precision and stability, the Q2 Combo uses its nozzle as a leveling sensor to achieve highly accurate first layers and true plug-and-play functionality. Its rigid full-metal Core XY structure, combined with precision linear rails, ensures stable and high-speed movement. The upgraded 1.5 GT synchronous belt reduces vibration artifacts, delivering ultra-smooth surface finishes even at high speeds. For professional-grade performance, this printer is equipped with a second-generation 65°C heated chamber to reduce warping and improve layer adhesion. The 370°C high-temperature bimetal hotend unlocks advanced engineering materials, including PPS-CF and other composites. With speeds up to 600 mm and acceleration up to 20,000 mm/2, it produces strong, precise prototypes quickly. Smart features like full auto leveling, filament detection, AI camera monitoring, and power loss recovery ensure consistent and reliable results every time. Safety and indoor usability are also a priority. The Q2 Combo includes a triple filtration system with a G3 pre-filter, H12 HEPA filter, and activated carbon to capture harmful particles and reduce odors, closed-loop temperature control with multiple sensors, and a flame-retardant heated chamber enhance safety, making it suitable for home or studio use. Backed by responsive customer service and lifetime technical support, QIDI provides peace of mind from setup to long-term operation. Overall, the QIDI Q2 Combo is a powerful, feature-rich 3D printer that combines multicolor creativity, engineering-grade material support, high-speed performance, and advanced safety features, making it an excellent choice for serious creators and professionals alike.